Recently, I posted a video of a young lady who sold $888. Later, she was instructed to sold $1,500 more. After further research, I discovered her name is Lily Java. She's married to the founder and pastor of Kingdom Embassy International. In this video, I'm going to reveal the truth behind their doctrine and their greed for wealth. Watch this.
I want you to sow a family seed of 5,555. There is a grace that is overshadowing your house. Join hands. Father, I release the prophetic impartation over their lives.
Now, take a look at this picture. This is her husband. His name is Prophet Passion Java. He's the founder and pastor of Kingdom Embassy International. His net worth is $50 million. Let me say that again. $50 million. Now, before I show you the extravagant lifestyle he and his wife lives, I want you to see for yourself how they are deceiving God's people. Watch this.
Prophet Law, you are going to collect offering from the 10 ladies that wants to be married.
All you marriage. Hey. Papa only saw 10. This is how we will know. Papa, this is how we'll know. Shh. This is how we will know that the 10 are the 10 and others will weed themselves out. Somebody said, wow. Grab a seed of 1,000. If you have it, move forward.
I disconnect you right now. 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 I want you to go get a seed. Go get a seed. And I want you to come and connect with this altar right here. The fire of this altar.
Amen.
I want y'all to notice something. These people claim, like every other false prophet, to have the keys to your breakthrough, your deliverance, your healing, your prosperity, your future. And if you don't give them $1,000 or seed, they pretend like God won't release the breakthrough. Titus chapter 1 and verse 11 says, whose mouths must be stopped, who subvert whole houses, teaching things which they ought not, for filthy lucre's sake. Throughout the Bible, there were false prophets perverting the offering to consume it upon the lust of the flesh, the lust of the eyes, and the pride of life. Take a look at this picture. This is Lily Java, the same woman who told the lady to sow $1,500 for a breakthrough. Look how she's living. She's standing proud next to her Lamborghini. This is her husband. They own their own helicopter. Take a look at his expensive cars. You tell me you living like this, but you can't pray for a person unless they give you $1,500? Take a look at this, y'all. Look at their mansion. He calls himself the prophet. He's right about that. P-R-O-F-I-T. He is the prophet for profit. People of God, I want you to understand that there are false prophets among you. They are pretenders. They are liars. They are counterfeits. It's all about their glory. Matthew chapter 15 and verse 30 says, the great multitudes came to him, to Jesus, having with them the lame, the blind, the mute, maimed, and many others. And they laid them down at Jesus' feet. Notice, there's no money. There's no offering. There's no $1,000 seed. And he healed them. He never charged the people to heal. They don't have the keys to your salvation. If anyone, I don't care who it is, if they tell you, you have to sow for Jesus to heal you, they are liars. And this how they live after they scam the people in the church. God bless you.